I was sent this styling beauty bag and I am absolutely loving it. So let me show you what they are and how I've been using them. So the first one is this cream heat spray, and this is what I've been using the most. I absolutely love it. You can use it on dry or wet hair. I've been spraying it in my hair and then doing my hair. It also works as a really good detangler as well. So this stuff is fabulous. I've been following up the most with the soft argan oil. This stuff is phenomenal, especially on frizzies, which I get a lot of those. So I've been loving that, and it really does leave your hair super, super soft. Now there's two I actually haven't used yet. Now I have used this one. I'll talk about that one in a second. But I haven't tried the cleansing powder yet or the power powder. So let's do that right now. I think you can put it directly onto your hair, but I might put it on my hand first just so I don't do too much. So it comes out just like that powder. I'm gonna put it onto the fingertips and then just kind of get it in there. It smells really, really good. Wow. So this is great as like almost an alternative to a dry shampoo to really cleanse your hair and refresh it. That smells insane. So loving that. That's our cleansing powder. And then let's go ahead and do the power powder. This is going to be for volume. And this is one I haven't used yet either. So let's see. You're going to apply it to dry hair near the roots. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. The minute it went in, it kind of becomes a little bit sticky. I think I put a ton in. So I'm going to have to get a brush and really kind of brush that through. Wow. Yeah, I need to brush that out. I don't even think I can get it with my hands because a little goes a long way. But watch this. I'm just going to keep like teasing it just to show you what this can do. Still kind of like powdery. That's how much I did. Oh my goodness. Look at that volume. You guys, I could like beehive my hair with this stuff. Wow. I mean, I wouldn't wear it probably that big, but look at that, like compared. The flat side, the beauty pageant style hair over here. So we'll flatten it for now because I am going to go ahead and brush that out. But what's cool is once it's in, you can always re-tease it throughout the day. Like it just kind of stays. Oh, this stuff is... wow, I wasn't expecting it to be that strong, but this stuff is really strong. So little goes a long way with that one. And then we have our texture. This is the Ocean Spray. You can spray this on your damp hair and then style it, or on dry hair if you want to kind of give it like that look like you've been at the ocean. I have wavy hair, so this is kind of nice to just like add a little bit of wave back into my hair. And this is really fun. Sometimes I'll braid my hair when it's damp, throw this in, and then in the morning you have those really cool waves. What's so fun is that each of these is something you're gonna use again and again and again. It's a cool way to play with your hair and then just style it differently, different times, and you get this really nice travel bag as well. So I think you're gonna love this kit.